سلام واشد که یکی دیگه چه منو که ویدیو هم پارت 16 گاد آف وارم طبق معمولی بهتر چی که ویدیو هم بگنده मैं वीडियो अगर ताज़े करने के मैं वीडियो लाइक करें कमेंट पहले में बात है मैं चैनल यूट्यूब पे सब्सक्राइब करें एक पेज हम दाखिल है इंस्टा हमारा क्या पेज हम नॉर्मल करें वीडियो जल्दी क्रिएशन है वदान सही है खब برین که یه پارت هم دیگه بگندیم پارت قبلی تا اداد که گیتے ہیں کہ आज कम पता ये सरजमीन को कम oh इस चेहरे गिर हुआ
You will listen to me and not speak a word. I am your father, and you, boy, are not yourself. You are too quick to temper. You are rash, insubordinate, and out of control. This will not stand. You will honor your mother and abandon this path you have chosen. It is not too late. This discussion is far from over. We are here because of you, boy. Never forget that.
اما در واقع سرزمین مردگان نی در واقع جورای ارتگی بعد والکری हैं वो तर रही वालकरी विषय नहीं दिया है तो बड़ा लगी थी मो वहाँ कलाम तो कोई तरह अन्ना तारगा गिफ्ट तो करना
This is hell?
Not just hell.
गुशी साड़ दे तो जानना में
I see
मगर
a
जानना
ship.
साड़ दे
Get us there. It only takes us halfway to Tyr's temple, but at least it gets us far from here. For 1,000 mortal lifetimes, the bridgekeeper kept the living out of this place. But now that you've ripped his heart out, here we are. Funny how it all comes around.
ओह तो इसको जाती है
Boy,
गुशिया बाद तगास शिपास दर मोड़े माता ची गोष्टी की जाने के ज़ार हैं अंगा हॉप 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 बरें ये वाला Yala. Ver देगा. Oh.
Was me. But we're gods.
हमन लाज़े कि पिता बरी गोश ना जा.
turn away, boy.
ये मत आये रहे जो पिता.
That's what I said to your mother, right before I gave it to her.
It wasn't me.
Man लगी थी कहीं सी.
Do not dwell on those thoughts.
उनसे कार न
Not
करना.
here.
Yeah.
We must keep moving.
Yeah.
शो बाद ना मर गए.
Ed, what was that?
Not just the old
Sarah
and sick
Gushia
come to
Chi,
hell, so do the criminals. Hell must not draw a distinction between us and those whom these visions are meant to torture.
How do we stop it?
Escape hell as soon as possible.
I'm not gonna let it bother.
जूरा एमा खातरा टेंशन के कारिशन डेमस फोन दरी. तो कागज से कार गया.
But it is who you have become of late.
Okay.
Look, I know I got us into this,
और शिविगे.
but I'll get us out. Whoever I am.
I will get us out. You will follow orders.
But maybe that's not who I am.
It had better be. Now let me focus.
Stop please. Oh, what? Yup, please. Shut go. Not a garbage unpaying. Oh, washi. Igual. Uy, buenísimo. Ni kucha करें तो आई मार गिरेगी हैं भले ये तो आने ऐसे ओ चेन्नई चक बिल्ली मकान बोल रहा चला मार दे के पोफियो सर ना कुछ हुआ फिर कनाने में से कॉपी कैसे चेक करे तुम्हारा खैलियान वाले यामaz Baluchi भी पीछे यामaz किलो तो अबे बाल दे रहे हो आए
I would never
Stay out of sight.
this.
Listen,
You had no right.
I had every right. I am your mother.
You had no right, Rich.
यहाँ होती खातरा तो किस तरीके ने जिंदगी
I can't smell, I can't even feel the temperature in this room. Feasting, drinking, women, it's all gone.
You never
Gone.
feel pain again. Death has no power over you now. You would rather die?
Never feel again? Yes.
मेरी दे मेरी अच्छा
Yes. Take it away, Mom.
I can't.
Please, please, please take it away.
It doesn't work
मौत
like that.
इसी मौत है
Trust me in time.
बस इधर मौत से अच्छी से मान करने की उसकी
Come on.
रास्ता दिए
No. Yes. I won't. Come on. Ruin my life.
Honey, we can figure this out. I promise. Trust me. I know how to.
देखते
Can't fix it. Do it! Do it!
ओ इसे भेजा नहीं
Come on!
तो बोला ये कॉल दे
Cow.
तड़फू से
I never want to see you again.
इगोरेश में पर मगन
Never.
छुआ ओ वो तबाहुआ तो हम जाएंगे
Freya is his mother. Why did you keep this from us, Head?
Would you believe it slipped my mind?
I would not.
I'm at a loss. I assure you have no reason to keep such a thing a secret.
भाई करने वाला
Where's the boat? We will speak more of this soon.
ama जादूगर इस्पत्ति से माफी कुते वित्त मैंने से के बालदेर इसी चौक के
I'm a coward. I'm a
और हम करें जाला पता स्टेशन तो और पैदा है अव्वल काम बिगड़े What the hell? Damn it.
to do after I kill you.
Zeus तो आ रहा है
Who's that?
We must hurry.
है ना उसमें बदल नहीं जल्दी आगे बॉक्स यहाँ आ जा तने सुस्ती कर गई मैंने तो गिरने ऑफ के Vacation. Hadi diyeyim mi de? Böyle posta senin içiye kocar o şey giren. Bir şey var ama. Uş. Neden hiç? Amşan karan danseri su tappen kuzen tappen te gante da diye yakke mandi bro borza chu to chendurane ke diye Ay go. Ay aquí. One more. एक के दिखे आ रही है कुछ तो बोल रहे ये ना तो देर रानी ना Inguchi Halo dia mah No. Yakki dige faz sarat ke çaşabat dijenani te kya jabe paş bi bale. Yakki dige laneti malnu kure yere. Yende gani mo. میشه مخفی هم هرچی بی همین نمیگه بله ظاهر نه فعلا به پشته چیه؟ آه نه इधर नहीं यार कुछ नहीं ज़ाहिर नहीं तो पुछता हूँ दें वो बस درگت نکنه सही मीगा ऐसे शूटी टोके हुआ इल्लाना तीच तो गिरेगी भी हुआ अच्छा नपरू से क्या हुआ iyice dizi çizi işte o kemale işte kapıyın işte turşi yani serisi şey şimdi işte derken Honger belli işte kaç kere besto karşı. Vay. Hiç होने सामने. O benim eşisto kaç kana? ऐसे ये ना पोस्टर में चाहिए ऐसे जगह या वाले फिर है टीलिंग को तो हमारा दूसरा आते हैं सांता मोनिका الآخر جبت بریم چی شد Bene. Cos'è? Bene. Sta fatto. Geçti ya. Var geçti mi?
Entirely sure this is seaworthy.
Now what?
Give me space to work.
What can I do?
You have done enough.
बहुत बानवर आप एक चीज बरोबर आहे
Just bear in mind this boat can only take us part of the way. Tyr's temple is near the top of a tremendous waterfall which, sadly, we are downstream. That means even if we get there intact, we'd still need to sail up a waterfall somehow.
The Vanir built
यार
the
कट
greatest
को
ship
भाई
that ever was, and it can fly.
Nia? Yeah, because it was designed to fly. This was not.
जी किश्ती बाल का
This is the boat we have. We may do it.
आई किश्ती लग गई आप पीर टाइटैनिक
Perhaps the
लग गई
biggest iceberg I've ever seen.
At least the fire's making
Yeah.
heat. What now? Chopping it?
Give me another room.
Damn.
So now the sails are loose?
What
Just
you are?
watch.
अगर वजन कैसी नहीं बाल कहाँ बड़ा
Pulling the sails down? But how are they gonna catch the wind?
वाह ले आओ उसे चेस भी यार
The heat from the fire! We're actually flying!
इसको ऑन गिर को
And we're stuck.
and we're
Not for
stuck
long.
now
Stay with
गिर
the
को
boat.
Can't believe it.
Just I balling. Wish I get no kalam. Ushti.
Wait
Acha
for me
wood.
there.
Ada gir ko. Kalam ichi. Anne Fidgal.
We need to talk, brother.
Meran şu yakko do ba
You
de
do
bir tire
realise
like
it's
bir
over,
şeyden.
don't you? Even if we make it back to Midgard, you and Balder destroyed the only gate to Jotunheim. We are out of options. And that boy up there, he's in 9 kinds of pain. His head's turned so far around,
Atreus is not your concern.
Beja mana bar
he
go.
might become everyone's concern if you don't do something. You don't have to be the smartest man in the world to see that.
Bro.
Atreus,
I can help.
together now.
Tuno kuma kana su baam dige. Orogre. Kesti kene. Na cheste na kuch chire
We did
chakai.
it! We're free! We are going to get out of here.
Face me, father. It is time to end this.
Yes, my son. It is time.
No,
It's that voice again. Do you know who that is?
I do not know.
ध्रुवन तो शायर जाने के हैं ये देखिए वॉइस खुदाई
Hold
जमाने
on!
जंग गुमचिया से गाड़ा पड़ता है तो जीव से जंग दे ना ज़्यादा ज़्यादा Pinche con que de como. Wow, el crieci. Angare che sticker ho io però.
Harpoon! I will free us!
Ah, ये देखिए Interesting. Oh, já. Emer, taraf kapı. Ya Hasan abad belli bu kuşayı. Işe dağırdı langar marda açtı bu. Pehlan free है वो अगर पता थी कि मैं के पतन कहे
Hey, how long before we reach the temple?
Yeah, it's freezing.
As long as we
Tarak
maintain this
disi
speed
check करे
and those
लोटी
fires
कि माँ
don't go out,
ये
we should be there in no time, lad.
टेंपल ये माबद रात कने
Almost ready. Fire's out. Forward.
Ya Hasan abad belli खामोश रहेगा
Hit that ring.
चीज वो आपको नया लगा ये एनिमेशन आने में रो आ सब कुछ पता दिख रहा अंगर यार को मुझे ballo Tam bıçakla ya hadi de. Reşan dौड़ दें. Hey lan. Chill. Oh. Chiloti, shita.
Amir, how's the fire staying lit?
Would you believe magic?
Or those blades?
Karaga gösteriyor ye ateş çıkınca pedayin ki ye izoma yaşam bonde genç to tera etikad be jadू है हाँ जाला Jam Janai Api, dota diye parat. Kan kaya jaye api. Api. मैं haha liberen ibaya Valkyria
Step out onto the battle!
But we need to lose that harpoon!
Utata? Eyvah. Utata me saying que Begirin haberin diyemem. एक एचडी করলে না বুঝকো برو دیگه برو تديني جواد
It is time, my son. Look around at what you have done.
بدأت زيوس كرتوس جواني جاهلية تيمي بچا يا بليز كفادية
Come on, we gotta go.
You saw.
There's no
دي
time.
سي يعني تيمي ناي
I have a plan. Jump.
¿Y plano? अच्छा किश्तियाँ सूद को
That was your plan.
دايما مش عم
Both
يعبريكو
cracked.
وزيتي
We are leaving this
نختار
realm. Now.
As long as we didn't wreck our way back.
अच्छी برو 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 وين को बचिया tak بقى في خيالان أولي قاربي tak تو بچي
This is Odin's. I'd recognize his atrocious taste, eh?
Look at that. It's the missing panel about Tyr. Odin must have stolen it.
لكن panelai gumshude
He always has his reasons. Might I have a look? Well, this is most unexpected.
Why? What does it mean?
I haven't the foggiest. Isn't that unexpected?
Dad.
Look, clearly that's Tyr. Traveling somehow. Perhaps magically. But what's that to do with the giants that they should devote a shrine to it? I'm afraid that is none too clear.
What are those runes in the corners?
Not runes. Symbols from different lands. They mean...
War.
Aye.
How do you...
This one I know too well.
سمبل شيء علامات گوشن شيء سمبل علامات نه سرزمین
His eyes.
سرزمین های
They are
متفاوت
jewels. Like yours.
No doubt signifying the gift of sight the giants granted us. Give me a closer look. Interesting.
اوه
Very interesting.
What is that?
Secret plans concealed by Tyr so none could access but him. And those few others the giants trusted. And right under Odin's nose, ho ho ho! I did promise I'd get you to Jotunheim.
What do you mean, Head? You said we were out of options.
Don't you see, brother? Odin never gave up hope, and neither should we. He knew there was a clue in here, but we're the ones who found it. These plans are for a key to some chamber Tyr's kept hidden. I don't know where it's leading or what we'll find, but it's a path.
How do we make this key?
I suggest we ask a dwarf.
That symbol on the temple door. It's a bunch of runes together. Peace. Unity. Other things too.
Tyr's own design. He made this door himself.
Boy,
que compensarte
I didn't see anything.
antes de match na di
You did not see me with someone. An old
देख के
man.
ना जी और
What
देख
old
के
man?
कुछ हम तीर मार
Can
दे
we go?
तीर मार दे सारी
Yes. Very well.
को मैं से वेरिन और वेरिन
All right, let's get back to Midgard and see about making that key. Where's that dwarf?
गार्ड में मेडिको और दूसरी और वेरिन गार्ड
Now, Head. Why did you not tell us Balder is the son of Freya?
He
उसी
is.
तरह तो
It's
पच्चीस नंबर
shocking every
हमारे
time
के
I hear it.
बाल्डर
Yeah, obviously, I know it.
ये हम
When I
जादूगर
think
करते
about Balder and Freya.
The mayor?
Yes, lad.
Freya.
How's that, brother?
बाल्डर और ये डांस
Tell me
लुट अपने
Balder's
बरो
vulnerability.
Balder is blessed with invulnerability to all threats, physical or magical.
Wait, what is happening?
He is bewitched not to speak of what he knows.
I am? I am! Oh, that's it precisely. I wonder how long that's been so. Since she had my head at her mercy, or back when I figured...
Can you make it?
चीजें परमाएंगे नहीं क्या
Is it a
जीवित
weapon? Armor? Or likewise an instrument of war, of which I'm a master at shaping? No? Then forget it. Even if I wanted to make such an insignificant gewgaw, I'm liable to chink my tools working on something so delicate and ladylike.
Then shingle it. Pattern weld the item with scap slag. Keep the layers thin. Alternate the overlay.
Okay, smart guy. And where do you propose to find a lump of quality scap slag? Last time I saw one, I could still get rigid down south. Shut your mouth. Is that... Where did you...
I had to get my hands dirty.
Well, don't just stand there. Let's do this.
What? You? You're
ये
fine with working on
मटेरियल
something
इस
that's not a
लाज़िम
weapon?
बड़ा चीज़ की लूटिंग आंटी बकंते कराया तिक्के गोश बज दस्ता आखिर आखिर बार किसी बार दस्ता होती है किसी भी करने तभी तो नहीं बता यार इसी आमदार आर्चोती
Watch the
अमा
spine.
कैसा
Keep your wrists
किस्सा
loose.
ये या
You keep your wrist
चीज़ें अच्छे
loose. Yeah, I need more heat here.
या
Coming up. You gonna temper that steel longer?
I don't
आगे
need
बता
to.
जो
I
ये तो
triple
कुछ
quenched it
मोती
with
दास करती
charcoal.
फोटो गाने
See? How inventive. And sanitary. You clever little beaver. Never too late to learn a new
ये
trick.
दुनियादार
Is it?
बित गए दुनिया से वो तो
No,
वाशाम
it's
बिता
not. Yeah.
दिन रात
Here it is.
Nope. Don't forget this.
ओ यार شو جيبه تدرى عرض بيسر هو من شيء تمام دعوة تمام إمضائي هم جاته
Oh, quit your grinning. It's downright unsettling.
It's just nice to see you together. But now the rune on your brand looks different.
Yeah, price of reforging something what broke.
I knew it. You two love each other.
Oh, cut it out, Princess. You're gonna get me all weak.
I like the new one better. Don't you?
लिखते अड्डे को एक लिखते नहीं कुछ
We
होगा
have work to do.
No.
तेरी तो दस ना दबाऊंगी खूब फक्र नहीं पड़ता हमें तो काफी वीडियो तुलानी बह गई
Didn't I tell you it'd be fine?
मॉन्स्टर ने हमसे वीडियो बात तुलानी मकने भले बहुत हम नागिस होने भी दी वीडियो ये करें अब ये पार्ट था हमने तमाम खने भले पेसर ची के तमाम करने अगर नई वीडियो हमारे पसंद जितना इंटरेस्ट या अगर गेम है बोल मोड पे अलावे या और दोस्तों वीडियो ही मावे गे रहे गेम प्ले आप करें वास्तव हमारे पीछे दे वाला कमेंट करने का दाखिली इंस्टा में पूछती ओके है मुश्किल नहीं अगर हम चाहते हैं वीडियो के मैं वीडियो लाइक करें कमेंट कर लें मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें पेज हमारे दाखिली इंस्टा में पेज हम दंबाल करें कि वीडियो जदीद ये करें 14 सही है एलन तबाह